Governor Najma Heptulla calls for concerted efforts to preserve and promote arts and culture of Manipur for all time. Roadshow on World's Food India 2017 and promotion of new scheme Kisan Sampada Yojana held to promote food processing sector. Minister Radhesham asserts the government gives priority to development of health and education sector in the state. And a one-day consultation expresses concern over the impact of Loktak Hydro Project and Ithai Barrage on people. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla today called for concerted efforts to preserve and promote arts and culture of Manipur for all time. The Chancellor of Manipur University of Culture was speaking as the chief guest at the first Foundation Day celebration of the university at Manipur State Film Development Society Auditorium, Palace Compound today. She said art and culture of Manipur is not only for Manipur but for India as a whole. She said the establishment of the university is very commendable and expressed a hope that the university will soon be a significant one. The governor maintains that the art and culture of Manipur gets appreciation and commendation from all over the world. Dr. Najma Heptulla presented gifts to veteran artists and gurus in recognition of their contribution in the field of art and culture. Persons associated with art and culture also attended the event.
Our bounden duty to preserve nature and enrich, nurture and enrich Manipuri culture so that it may continue to enrich the Indian culture. Though diverse India is one's diversity in its strength, the cultural dimensions have contributed to the unity. Each culture in different parts of our country is great. We should build up a composite culture of those which we have inherited down the ages.
Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren said, the government has taken initiatives to tell the history of Manipur to the world by translating the Puya into English. He said Manipur University of Culture is the first cultural university in the northeast India. He expressed his happiness over the establishment of the cultural university. Biren asserted that the people from outside the state will now know more about Manipur after the establishment of the sports university. He maintains that more efforts are necessary for development of art and culture, and if time and money are wisely used, the Manipuri people will be able to achieve a good society.
Art and culture na Manipur takpani, sports na takpani, adu na takpani, pangay haiba. But we did never care in the grassroots. Makhong da ikoi kari art and culture toriba mising je kari sari ge kramai torige kai dorige kari ne hingdorige. Natra kramai torige yokut kai dorige haiba pochi leiram de hajeri. Compact koi bari kong ne suntum non kano dagi central government dagi. Leiram de koi state government ge oina thabak piba gold medalisting tauba khotpa sports policy sema ka tawje. But ngasi di Bharat Sarkar na madu khanga kanda amat tangai sports university of India. Northeast amat tangai culture University PB Raktana Ikoi Ngasi Gito Semasi the Sangna Ikoi Nasi Pambiriba Amadi Lakpang Ambidraba culture the Katopiraba art and culture the Katopirabi the sports the Katopirabi Miami Kudolni.
Roadshow on World's Food India 2017 and a promotion of new scheme Kisan Sampada Yojana was held today in Imphal to promote the food processing sector. Indian Chamber of Commerce Kolkata organized the roadshow at Hotel Classic Grant under the sponsorship of Ministry of Food Processing Industries. Kisan Sampada Yojana is an umbrella program of Sampada for food processing sector with 6,000 crore rupees outlaid to integrate current and new schemes aimed at reducing food wastage and doubling farmers' income. World's Food India 2017 event aims to showcase India's strength in the food sector as the country offers the largest diversified production base. Union government has approved 234 integrated cold chain and 42 mega food parks. Commerce and Industries Minister Thongam Biswajit, officials of Ministry of Food Processing Industries and Department of Commerce and Industries Manipur attended the event. Officials of Ministry of Food Processing Industries explained the works to be taken up under the scheme and their benefits to a packed audience. Many people left the venue after they could not find seats. However, many decided to stand in the crowded hall to listen to the experts speak about the scheme. Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla has greeted the people of Manipur on the eve of the Patriots' Day. In her message, the governor said the occasion reminds the people of their heroic forefathers like Bir Tikendrajit, Thangal General, Chirai Naga, Pukrambam Kajau, Naranjan Subedar, and a host of other martyrs who made supreme and selfless sacrifice for the cause of freedom of their motherland. She said, while observing the Patriots' Day, let us pledge to stand and fight as one against all those who challenge the freedom and integrity of the nation, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, and other differences. Education Minister T.H. Radhesham has asserted that the government gives first priority to development of health and education sector in the state. Radhesham was speaking at the 7th death anniversary observance of Kaisham Birjit, the founder of Kaisham Birjit High School Edit at Patsoi today. He reiterated that teachers play a significant role in making a good and healthy society and they must be respected and encouraged for their contributions. Minister Radhesham further stated that the government understands the problems of teachers of aided schools who dedicate their service for the welfare of the students despite their low salaries. He also assured that steps will be taken to convert Kaisham Birjit High School to a full-fledged government school by consulting experts. Successful students of this school in Class 10 examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSEM were encouraged by presenting them with cash prizes on the occasion. Patsoi MLA A.K. Mirabai also attended the event.
School building Aku isu karam mana hana tahu kita gaya sekarang ni yang mereka di ngam kita tahu siapa ni adana, macam waru bigano aku tapna kadai dari kari laku yang ni yang jeraga aku itu oza yang leba satra leba tapi sekolah kongai melari hasil impal manung dah masih sahih aku mari tadi satra pantra mana aku itu sepun silaga apa oza kerana tamu orang oza adana yang retire tahu orang anak wahab tapi dah edit sekolah ni oza sendiri aku
One-day public consultation program on Loktak Hydro Project and Ithai Barrage and its impact on climate change was jointly organized by People's Platform for Secretariat, Social Action Committee, North-East Dialogue Forum, United NGOs Mission Manipur and Environment Conservation Network at Youth Hostel Conference Hall, Kumadlampak today. Speaking at the event, Secretary of Center for Research and Advocacy, Jiten Yumnam, asserted that Ithai Barrage constructed under National Hydroelectric Project Corporation (NHPC) has been causing major problems for the people for many years. He said the recent floods suffered in the state was caused by blocking of Ithai Barrage. He also blames the Loktak Hydro Project constructed under National Hydroelectric Project Corporation (NHPC) for deterioration of Loktak Lake and problems faced by people living in and around the lake. He said it is high time that the government considered whether it is necessary to continue the project or not. Jiten Yumnam said the people must stand together to decommission the Loktak Hydro Project and also to stop other projects under the National Hydroelectric Project Corporation in the state.
NHPC की वफम से कोई ना थोड़ी से करेगी नो हम तंदा लोकताक ता मासी दायित्व याव दबा लेदना कोई की मागी responsibilities मा लो दबा प्रजादा लो मांगन बमेयाम अदगी मियाम द सोपो मैम सिगे अदुगा साइकी स्वाने लोकताक ता मासी दायित्व याव दबा दोनो लेरी कान सिदा मासी हुजिक मणिपुर तिपाई मुंगदा मेना चौबा 1500 मेगावाट की लोकताक कुम तरा हिन चौबा प्रोजेक्ट छे सुंबा मुछादोरी NHPC न तरोगा adagi atopa loktak tagi makhada loktak downstream project ina masu lakthorieba sisu NHPC National Hydroelectric Power Corporation sina togodoini ada khoina hangyo apumdi NHPC da loktak project si kamaina operate togdoino karmaina leidino ko sigi wafam je lekhai ta ringe da kamaina atopa project si handon habagi acho wafam am se thole habe warinda.
Human rights defender Manipur alleged that Information Technology and Broadcasting Service Limited is not recognized by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, General Secretary of Human Rights Defender Manipur, Rakesh Marangthim said a group of individuals established the Information Technology and Broadcasting Service Limited. He said those running the company have also collected a large amount of money from individuals, promising them jobs at the company. He said when the members of Human Rights Defender Manipur approached the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology under the RTI Act to find out the truth about the company, it was found out that the company has nothing to do with the ministry. The company, which started to function from 2013, has its head office in Senapati now. He disclosed that many persons working for the company had also been arrested by police when the head office was located at Kanchipur. Rakesh wants that Human Rights Defender Manipur will shut down the company if it cannot prove that the government has given it recognition by October 31st this year.
September tang ani 2015 da RTI tha matam da akhoi gi haiba company si Ministry of Information and Broadcasting degi hango haiba gi moida ayab je pi hi leite to moida knowledge amata leite na answer si da mai haibire Manipur da hangi ba akhoi gi Information Technology Broadcasting Services Limited company sigi akhoi na khwaidi mako general manager gi pham pubiri ba irong kunje gi so singwai to na wang laikai pangai haiba nupa si akhoi na monda chithi thaje leite haiba gi clearance ama sengtong na se na adu phawda masa lakide October 2017 sibogi manung side is moina akhoi da matik chaba document sing akhoi da utpangam dragadi November tang amadagi Manipur da sumba company Information Technology Broadcasting Services leiti haibise miyam wangda laukhoga numitu da akhoi na thingjan jagani.
Coalition for Indigenous Rights campaign Sarkar will observe Manipur's Independence Day on August 14 to commemorate the day Manipur was granted independence by the British. It was on August 14, 1947 that the British left Manipur, restoring Manipur's lost sovereignty. Speaking to media persons at the Manipur Palace today, convener of the campaign, Somarendra Thokchom, said Sarkar has been launching campaigns to restore pre-merger political status. He said post-independence, Dominion of India and Manipur have been maintaining a relationship on the basis of instrument of accession. He maintains that Manipur has been facing a mountain of issues post the forced merger with India, and observing the Independence Day will be a stepping stone to resolving various issues facing the state.
aduna haibadi akoina student association da yanakiba ado hanjillagadi akoina ngasi thengnariba awaba adigi nungaitaba asi thengnaro ano yelongmai dagi khuna minariba poilamadna yelongmi dagi khuna minariba yelongmi purupsingi marakta mungnaba myangkan tholi haiba mungnaba singase akoina isana isagi lengak lejerbutamda akoi masi kopangang mahiroisang sangwagi mathakta amati khullakai chahongi mathakta khoi singkachagani Manipurda khunda laita minariba khoigi yelongmi khudimangna mateng pangbiraga mutkhigrawba khoigi yelongmi amasung lehomi ase kanminasi.
Manipur Youth Forum organized the first Manipur Youth Convention Day in connection with International Youth Day at Manipur Press Club today. A discussion on the role of youth in present political scenario of Manipur, youth building peace and social responsibility was also held with Professor W. Nabakumar, Anthropology Department, Manipur University. Speaking at the event, Professor Nabakumar emphasized the role of youth in the society. He said the state can develop only when the youth excel in every sphere of life. He also said it is time to reflect on how far the youth of the state can compete with the rest of the world. Professor Navakumar highlighted the roles and responsibilities of youth right from crisis survival to bringing peace in a state like Manipur. Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit will observe the Patriots' Day tomorrow at its office premises. The unit has asked all its members to attend the observance. Now it's time for a small commercial break. We'll be right back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Ansh Mishra from Allahabad, who started his tour of all states of India and India's neighbors without any expenses, has reached Imphal yesterday. The software engineer from Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, left his hometown on February 3rd. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, Ansh Mishra said in his 188 days of traveling so far, he has managed to reach 18 states, including 3 union territories, and Manipur is the 18th state. He said he has not spent any money or taken any money from others for his tour. He said his tour is a message that money is not required for happiness and that one can follow one's traveling passion anywhere without money. The traveler said he has hitchhiked while traveling from place to place, and he ate and stayed at religious places. His next destination will be Nagaland. Rural Tourist Center Taubul in Bishnupur district has been opened to public with the addition of a tea stall and 2 boats for the tourists. The tourist center, built under the funding of 14th Finance Commission with an estimated cost of 5,90,000 rupees, was opened by Professor N. Mohendro. Professor Mohendro said retired and elderly persons love to see the nature and wished that the tourist center will attract them.
Pakiti na piliba isingi pasabasi ubusina magi bunsi sana bugi chomo macha kamane. Asi busi ke matam se kwai nahi hai na. Royal tourism mein hai basi lokta ko mada sem kala to tawri si maru maranti sahi akala ko mi singchina shanti pami bunsi sana le ko pami. Madan mo yino na la kane kana mo mi khara na sahi kutha thabak tawra ma pension de rupa le sing kulam kutha pange ai thama di pasha do cross ko thoke ai na lam koi na ni du se. Ako yung mayama mo mapana sa laga lang ko ni hari ko lupa mayam se mas cross ko si ari ang badati kanar imni.
Athokpam Indian Service Taubal today provided free LPG connection to 127 selected beneficiaries under the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana PMUY at Kongjom. SGO Taubal Dr. M. Vito, Deputy Manager of MSPDCL, Kakching L. Shelung, and owner of Athokpam Indian Service Okram Budhi were present on the occasion held at Community Hall, Kongjom Bazar. Speaking at the function, Dr. M. Vito said that the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana aims at safeguarding the health of women and children by providing them with a clean cooking fuel LPG so that they do not have to compromise their health in smoky kitchens and protect the trees. All Manipur Buddhist Association under the aegis of Manipur State Minority Commission organized one-day awareness program on minority rights at Ningomthong Sairom Leira Community Hall today. Chairperson of Manipur State Minorities Commission, Althas Dr. Syed Barhan Uddin, editor of Ichel Express, Hongsabam Mobi, member of Manipur State Minorities Commission, Dr. Ven Panthaupa, Reverend Mutum Ranjit, and people of the locality attended the program. Speaking at the program, Dr. Ven Panthaupa maintains that minorities of the state, including Muslims, Buddhists, and Christians, have not received the benefits meant for them. He said the program aimed at creating awareness about the projects and schemes meant for the minorities.
Piba yaba, central government piba, mating to Pilava, Hazana, SA Minority Commission, Egasiling Kaki, Matam Sum, and the Agi, Setan, Yakansida, Mamitanga, 2010, Manipur Minority Commission, Egg, Evasi, Lojiduada, and toward the Ritasu, Yamlabam Town, Maitavunda, Yaman Labor, and the Machine Tamil from the Singmo Mayamasi, India government of Kamakoverna, Moshi of the Piba, Haidana. Parliament of Canada, Adu Itadi, Simba, Commission of Shemega, like the Laramam, the Pongaba, Hidden Sea, Ho Hibane.
Kuga Battalion conducted an ex-serviceman interaction and grievance redressal meeting at Assam Rifles Churachandpur sector, Tubong today. Around 50 ex-servicemen and Veer Naris attended the event. They were told about various schemes and programs implemented for their welfare. A sum of rupees 2 crore and 63 lakh have been reimbursed to ex-servicemen and Veer Naris till now. Brigadier Ajay Kumar said the defense forces are always ready to help ex-servicemen and the families of the deceased ex-servicemen. Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO planted saplings at Moijing Idiga Park in Thoubal district today. The plantation was held in connection with the opening of a branch office of MMWO at Moijing. Secretary of Idiga Committee Abdul Warish, Zilla Parishad of Leshangtem Abdul Latif and advisor of the newly opened branch Muhammad Wakil Shah took part in the tree plantation. Communication and Capacity Development Unit PHED will organize Swachhathon 1.0 Swachh Bharat Hackathon under the aegis of Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation to crowdsource solutions to some of the pressing issues faced during the implementation of Swachh Bharat Mission SBM. The hackathon is open to all and people can access the official website for details. Online submission started on August 5th and will continue till August 25th. All India Students Federation Manipur State Council celebrated its 82nd foundation at Iravat Bhavan today. Speakers at the event maintained that All India Students Federation played a major role in the freedom struggle of India. Thamoigi Mari, a short story book written by Maibam Nabakishore, was released by Professor Nongmaithem Tombi at Manipur Press Club today in presence of several well-known Manipuri writers. Speakers at the event expressed concern at the lack of readers compared to a number of books published in the state. Now sports news. ABA Khetrigao defeated their rival in Morangtem Ibobi Memorial First Division Football League Tournament. In the 8th league match played today at ABF Playground, ABA Khetrigao thrashed SWC Khongman 2-0. For the winners, Renedy and Muhammad Aslam netted in the 37th and 76th minute of the match. Ninkham of ABA Khetrigao was awarded a yellow card by the center referee. 8 teams are taking part in the First Division Football League organized under the aegis of Imphal East District Football Association. Angta FC will meet KIYC Khetri Iril Mapal in the 9th league match tomorrow. PYA Kairang and Rao Lairik Yangbam were drawn 3-3 in the 48th league match of Maharaj Kumar Ghanendrajit Memorial Super Division Football League Tournament. In the match played at ABA Khetrigao, PYA Kairang's Mohammad Sher Khan netted a goal in the 3rd minute while Mohammad Adalat scored in the 20th and 51st. Rao Lairik Yangbam, Lekai's H. Soni, Mohammad Ayat and N. Laibak Chow scored in the 13th, 19th and 80th minute. In the 49th league, DOAK Yaripok trounced UPSA Pukhao 6-0. For the winners, Ratan netted 2 goals, Lian Nintem, Thankalal Haukip, Lunjoy Haukip and Y. Gojen 1 each. Thangmaiban Kangkut beat their rival in 55 and 60 years a second Sri Sri Gopal Dev League Knockout Kang tournament. In the 6th league match played at Sri Sri Gopal Dev Kangshang, Thangmaiban Kangkut thrashed IWKK Uchekon Kangkut 2010. 6 Kangkuts are participating in the tournament. Gopal Dev B Kangkut High School will meet Teka Kangkut in the 7th league match tomorrow. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Governor Najma Heptulla calls for concerted efforts to preserve and promote arts and culture of Manipur for all time. Roadshow on World Food India 2017 and promotion of new scheme Kisan Sampada Yojana helps to promote the food processing sector. Minister Radheshyam asserts the government gives priority to development of health and education sector in the state. And one-day consultation expresses concern over the impact of Loktak Hydro project and Itai barrage on people.